YouTube, Angel Degante back with another video. Today we're going to be trucking on a Saturday. We have a load of 60 footers to deliver local and pretty lightweight. It's like 20,000 pounds, but we're about to head out. I might need some fuel. I got to physically look at my fuel tank because my gauge don't be working right, but we're about to check it right now and make sure it's all good to go. I need to wipe this down, but yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys on the road. Need some fuel real quick, guys. Probably just put like 50 bucks just for the load, man. I'm broke ahead. I already know the drill, guys. Pumping fuel in these Houston gas stations. Got to. Head to the receiver, guys. I got a new air filter the other day because the truck was kind of sluggish already. Try to blow it out at least once a week because these yards we be going to are dusty as heck. But it still feels a little sluggish, so I already know it's going to be my fuel filter now. Probably get that changed out after I unload. Maybe even while I unload it. It don't take long at all. Oh shit, but I don't got no fuel in my little fuel tank. Damn. I don't want to reuse that dirty diesel that be coming out there. I was gonna try to pass this guy and go riding him, but it looks like a newer truck is probably an automatic and things take off like cars when they're I'm a little sick, I'm sorry if I sound like crap. I feel like the truck is picking up speed pretty good. Said in the video, I'm pretty sure, but we're gonna go deliver over here on like 59 North and Little York Road in Houston, Texas. probably 59 and 69 or East Tex Freeway. But anyway, yeah, that's where we're headed. My load is way off center too right now. I was supposed to get about 19,000 pounds more of load, but it was already 6 p.m. and at 6 p.m. they stopped loading and make you come back the other day. And so I wouldn't have to come back until Monday. They let me leave with what I had because it's still. Hey, there's a fire hydrant right on the fucking turn, so it'll go wide as hell. Yeah, you see it right now. You clear it though. I'm just saying, watch out. Oh, I hit a freaking branch. They got a forklift in there. Just backed in, guys. They only have a crane with one chain, so what they do is they find the center and they pick it up, and then they, I don't know how they do it, man. It's crazy, but I'm gonna set up the GoPro, put it on time lapse, that way I can see how they do it. I'm back at the yard now. We got unloaded pretty quick. My boy Javi just pulled up as well, and that might be the end of this video. You know, it's short. It was a quick delivery on the Saturday, and you guys stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna try to buy a 360 camera, that way we can get like better angles and stuff, you know, because I was backing up right now in a pretty tight spot, but it don't look too tight because you can only see one side of the truck. So if I'm able to like show y'all everything, then y'all can really see how tight some of these spots be, you know. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll catch you on the next one.